the more it happens in a dream.
So I'm starting by using Giorgio Armani Designer Foundation with a beauty blender. When I don't wear foundation, I swear my skin gets dirtier. Okay, so what I really wanted to show you is I received... So before we go on to eyes, I'm gonna do lips really quickly. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Lipstick in Dolly Bird. I received these Ellis Faas products. As you know, I am a huge fan of Ellis Faas. I was the one who contacted them because I was like, I'm really interested. I wanted to buy them. So I asked them, because I noticed they weren't available in many places anymore, and I asked them, where can I get them? And they informed me that they would be changing the packaging, and that's why they were out of stock in many places, and that they would send me some when the new packaging was out. So I was so excited, waiting for months. I'm just like, I love these eyeshadows, are probably my favorites ever. So they sent me this super cool package with the announcement of their new products, one of which is a powder, which I'm also really interested in because I like powders and I can never find one that I like. But the ones that they sent me are exactly the ones that I used. I don't remember if I actually said that to them, that these are the ones I wanted, but they sent me exactly the ones that I like, that I use, which is 105, the taupe brown, and 303, the sparkly one with like metallic glittery accents in silver. So I'm gonna show you how I apply them. And the other thing, the thing that they just released, I was so impressed by the packaging. Honestly, it's beautiful. So this is called Glow Down, and this is their new powder. It comes in this box, which is magnetic. Like everything about it, the detail is really nice. And then you get the case, and then inside the case you have a mirror, and I put the powder in there. What I've noticed about the powder is that it's not very hard pressed, so you can really, if you swirl your brush, a lot of powder comes out, which is a good thing. It means that it doesn't have a lot of additives, and I prefer it, because one of the reasons why I don't like powder, pressed powder, is because I feel like it's very heavy, like it has a lot of junk to push it together. So I'm really into this idea. So let's just try the eyeshadows, shall we? So this is the new packaging. It looks just like the old one, but the special thing about it is that I think it's a dough applicator. Oh, this makes it so much easier. It's amazing. Look how beautiful. I love this brown. I know it's just a brown, but I love this shadow so much. So I'm gonna try it. So today I'm gonna do just a light wash of this because I'm just going dancing and I don't want to go like full on smoky eye. Oh, I love this applicator. What I've been doing lately is put it on the bottom. This works great. This is such a revolution. I think they've done a really good job. So I put literally just that. And then usually I would use my finger if I do it in the lid, but because I'm doing it in the lower lid, I'm using a brush. And I just find that putting it on the lower lid already gives me a makeup look, and I don't need to bother with the top lid. But I will put it in the top lid just to show you. But you know, often these days, I've just been wearing it like this. But I'm just gonna bring it up. I mean, the pigment, what I love about these shadows is that they don't drag, they don't go unevenly, they're just perfection. It's like a liquid powder almost. They're beautiful. They're a beautiful formula. I don't get how more people don't get it. I can't say enough about them. They are amazing. So So lately I haven't been doing my brows, you can't really see them. I just do the smoky eye and light lip or a berry lip, but I'll show you that some other time. So this eye is a bit darker than the other. I'll put lashes just to show you, but before that I'm gonna go get a coffee and then I'll come back and put on some lashes. I love these eyeshadows. Shall we try the powder? Let's try the powder. So I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury blush brush just because I can't be bothered with more than one brush. So this is the brush that I use for my face, for everything. Bronzer, blush, powder, and this is the new Ellis Faas Glow Off. Glow Off? Glow Down, sorry. Not off, just down. Just pat it down. So let's see how this works. I love that it has a mirror. Excellent packaging, honestly, so impressed. So I'm just gonna tap it lightly on my brush. And you can see that already, you see how much powder comes out. That means that it doesn't have a lot of gunk and preservatives in the powder. And it does go really nicely. I'm not even wearing concealer. Just so you see the finish. And it comes with a sponge as well, which I haven't used. But it comes with a nice sponge, and the sponge fits into the case, just so that you know. Okay, so I have a coffee to help me through the day now. I'm still using this Sisley mascara, the So Intense one, but I've ordered the one called So Curl, because I would like to find something that was just as good in terms of fortifying the lashes and so black, but not always so goopy, because it's really goopy. So what I do is I put it on a paper. You see, I have a lot of lashes, but they're completely blonde. I was talking to my grandma about this the other day, because wow, I really curled them here. Fuck, they're gonna touch my eye. You know, the fact that I'm one of those persons, even though I'm a supernatural girl on one hand, I kind of want to be prepared to be with people. Like to feel like I'm done, even when I'm not done, because sometimes maybe I don't have any makeup on or my hair is shit. Somehow there's on a psychological level, I need to kind of be prepared to meet somebody, and I don't like it. My grandma is the same way. She always needs to have like her makeup done, her hair done. So I don't know, maybe it's not a bad thing, but it definitely happens to me that when I'm not done, I really don't feel like seeing even my closest friends. Like, you know, when I'm just on the sofa looking like shit, eating food out of my hands, I just really don't want to be observed by anyone. Also, I think because people really stare at me. I think when you're known, somehow I'm known for being pretty or whatever, it's very annoying. People will stare at you. This mascara is just crazy. I mean, what am I even doing? It's too much. I'm trying to get the gloops out, but I can't. I'm gonna need to clean up. It's crazy. It's like I'm wearing false lashes completely, but then it's all over the place too. I'm becoming a bit bored of it, but the thing is, it gives me such a big lashes. Like, my natural lashes are looking incredible after wearing this mascara for a few months. They're just insane. The insanity is real, y'all. So anyway, I don't know if it's something that I want to sort out, or the fact that I never feel like... But I have to be prepared to meet people. I think it's just a personality trait. Curling also, it makes the biggest difference, look. And I don't even have Botox yet to lift my eyes. I feel like all girls in their 20s now are having Botox and all kinds of stuff. At the very least, lips, you know, everybody has lips. Except me. Okay, this is a mess. I just think this mascara is a bit dry now. And so it's a mess. Bottom line, I love the Ellis Faas new eyeshadows. I always loved their eyeshadows, but now with the new packaging, I just think it's a complete success. And you don't need to build up so much the mascara. It was actually looking fine without mascara. It's just without mascara, I don't feel awake. Like without my lashes being black, I don't feel awake. I need to get rid of that thing. Should we get rid of this together? That little line, and I'll show you how I do it. I get some foundation. I get a really small eyeliner brush. So it's literally like you're drawing eyeliner, but instead you're drawing foundation. Because the mascara is quite flaky to begin with, it comes off pretty easily. See? So it's never patchy, it just blends. Even on camera, where everything is more patchy than in real life, it just blends. Wow. Loving my makeup right now. Where the hell am I going with this makeup? Such glamour. Oh baby, baby. Yeah, so that's me. Let's get the camera out of here. Don't you see? You know, I lost part of my tripod. I'm using one of these gorilla stands. Doesn't really work. Look at the light here. So this is the end result. Bye, thank you for watching.